Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to convert a video from mp4 format to GIF format. So first thing is open up a web browser into your device, and now here just simply go to tinywow.com, and this will be their homepage. After this, just simply select the search bar over here, and then search for mp4 to GIF and tap search. And now if it redirects you to the tools tab over here, just simply search it again, mp4 to GIF. And they will have only one tool for this. I just simply select this one. And now from here, you will just simply upload an mp4 file and tap upload. And from here, just simply select your video and it will be uploaded. And now from here, you could choose a frame rate and video resolution as well, and just simply select convert. And after that, just simply wait for it to load up, and it will be processed by TinyWow, and you should be able to have a GIF format for the video that you just uploaded. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.